Welcome to Sensational News, where we bring you the most shocking and moving news from the world of entertainment. Today we bring you a story that combines emotion, overcoming and a new chapter in the life of a media figure who made headlines around the world, Gypsy-Rose Blanchard. The young woman, known for her shocking case as a victim of Munchausen syndrome by proxy and the crime that changed her life forever, is now living a completely different chapter. Gypsy-Rose has welcomed her first daughter, Aurora Raina Urker, with her boyfriend Ken Urker, just at the beginning of 2025. This surprising announcement came through social media, leaving her followers completely surprised and excited. Aurora's arrival *, Gypsy's partner Ken Urker shared a sweet photo on January 1st where they both held little Aurora from the hospital bed. A moment full of love to start the year off on the right foot. Gypsy and motherhood *, just a few weeks after becoming a mother, Gypsy shared an image on her Instagram stories with the book What to Expect the First Year and wrote, * leaning into motherhood in 2025 baby light skin tone. * A message that shows that she is ready to face this challenge with all the dedication possible. Aurora's privacy *, although fans were hoping to see more of little Aurora, Gypsy was clear, there will be no more photos of her daughter on social media. Through a message, she explained that, although she appreciates the support and enthusiasm of her followers, she and Ken value the privacy and safety of their baby. Gypsy's transition *, after a life full of ups and downs and a story that shocked the world, Gypsy seems to be writing a new page full of hope and tranquility. Her message of gratitude to her followers reflects a genuine connection with those who have followed her path of transformation. This chapter marks a new stage in Gypsy-Rose's life, moving away from the headlines of her past and focusing on being a mother. In this video, we explore what this means to her, how she's changed since the days when the world learned her shocking story, and what her recent statements reveal about her.